Hello friends. India seems to be at a delicate juncture with lots of promise, yet significant execution risk against the backdrop of global headwinds. As markets correct dramatically, the short term does appear choppy, but I can't be anything but hopeful and buoyantly optimistic about the long term future. There was a recent article in a leading business newspaper which tried to analyze the reasons behind the huge spurt in people with a taxable income of 1 crore and above. One of the reasons posited was the increasing adoption of equity instruments. Clearly, trends do seem to indicate that an equity culture is firmly taking root in the country. Let's look at some numbers. SIPs continue to hit new highs, which reflect the growing maturity of retail investors. Share of domestic institutional investors increased to an all-time high of 16.46% with a net inflow of 1,03,625 crores during the last quarter. Number of demat accounts surged to over 175 million. Over 44% of the total MFAUM is now held under equity schemes. 2024 was touted as the year of IPOs with 1.19 lakh crores. That's over 14 billion US dollars, surpassing the previous record of 1.18 lakh crores set in 2021. As per the income tax return filing data, the number of individuals showing annual income of over 50 lakhs has gone up to over 9.4 lakh in 23-24. That's a five-fold jump from nearly 1.9 lakh in 13-14. Equity funds can be broadly divided into two sets: active funds and passive funds, with the former obviously at this point of time dominating assets. In passive funds, the fund managers have a limited role, wherein active funds, the fund managers make active decisions on the selection of securities. So, is there an alternative approach to active and passive fund investing? Here comes smart beta strategies or factor-based investing. It involves targeting specific and quantifiable factors of returns in stock markets. Some of these factors could be growth, value, low volatility, momentum, to name a few. Factor-based investing is relatively new to the MF industry with 68 existing funds with total assets of over 36,000 crores as of 31st October 2024. But over 74% of these assets are passively managed in the form of index or ETFs. Union Active Momentum Fund marks our inaugural foray into this exciting world of factor-based investing. We are bullish on this category and believe that this is not a one-off launch, but the first in a series of many more funds that we seek to launch in this category. We chose momentum as the first factor theme, for it has been much bandied but less adopted in formal fund management circles. Momentum arises because of the way that investors act on information, which pushes up the prices of stocks and generating momentum, and vice versa. Furthermore, we chose active management over passive management, as smart beta strategies are not overnight strategies and take years of fine-tuning if one wishes to combine the underlying factor with active management. The Union Active Momentum has been stewing for over 2 years with exhaustive backtesting of 15 years and establishing a structured framework to apply research findings in practical scenarios. Furthermore, the portfolio will be rebalanced at least once a quarter. Smart beta strategies work best when the universe of stocks and sectors are large and diverse. At Union Mutual Fund, we think as Indian equities and investors mature, there will be an increasing role for smart beta strategies. Globally, too, this trend towards smart beta strategies is evident. Our promoter group, Daiichi Holdings, incorporated a wholly owned subsidiary, Vertex Investment Solutions, in 2022 with deep expertise in quantitative investment management. Our interaction with them have only convinced us of a strong future for this category in India and globally. We aim to draw upon this expertise to offer our investors a wider choice that goes beyond just market caps into this exciting world of rule-based investing. In due course, we intend to engage with each of our partners in the distribution fraternity to share some of this global insights that we have gleaned from Vertex that can help buttress their investor portfolios from emotional bias. Thank you for your trust and collaboration. Happy investing.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.